it smells really good. Hey, welcome to this episode of Making It Work. Today I'm going to be making some body lotion. We use it for hands, body. Our son's from Haiti and he uses it for everything, including his face, even in his hair. I think he's used it in his hair, but he likes this stuff. It's really simple to make. All I'm going to do is put all of the ingredients in this jar, put the jar in this pan of hot water and let it melt. And then after it has cooled, I'm going to keep stirring it with my little swizzle stick here. After it cools somewhat, then I'll add things like lavender. I've got my lavender and I've got some Haitian vanilla because it just smells so good. But you want to let it cool down before you add that stuff because heat is just hard on essential oils. So I'm going to start with a half a cup of liquid oil. In this case, I happen to be using sunflower oil, which I also use in making my soaps. So that is a half a cup of sunflower oil. This is a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and the only reason it's liquid is because it's kind of warm in here right now. Otherwise it would be more solid, obviously. I have a stick of beeswax. It's about 1/4 cup of beeswax. And this is this is 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This is a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. I usually make a double batch, I guess. But for today, I'm going to make a single batch. All I'm going to do is let this heat up on the stove until it's melted through. And then I'll just keep stirring it occasionally until it's cooled down some, and then add the vanilla and the lavender. Okay, so it took about 20, maybe even 30 minutes of boiling, and I've got all of the beeswax melted, and then now it's been sitting out for a while, just kind of cooling. When it gets to this point where it's, I don't know, syrupy, I guess would be, the jar still feels really warm, but it is starting to congeal and stuff on the sides. You're going to want to keep stirring the lotion every now and then just so that the consistency is really good. And then once it gets to this point, I'm going to go ahead and add just a touch of vanilla for the smell. I don't know if vanilla does anything for your skin or not. And then several drops of lavender oil. Like I said, essential oils don't really like heat, so you want it to cool off a little bit before you add the essential oils. And then just keep stirring it now and then. What I've had happen in the past is that vanilla will kind of collect on the bottom, and it doesn't do anything, but it looks kind of gross. So the solution for that is just to stir it more often. So as this cools, I'm just going to keep stirring it. And obviously a double batch filled up this 1 pint jar. So just keep stirring it. Not like constantly, but enough to keep the vanilla from separating. Whew, it smells good. Okay, so here we are with pretty much the finished product of body lotion. I'll probably keep stirring it just a little bit every now and then. There's nothing on the bottom, so that's good. The vanilla is staying mixed in. And that is how you make body lotion. It smells like vanilla and lavender. It smells really good. Thanks for watching this episode of Making It Work.